people who feel that digital marketing is nothing but just waste of time, as it is not that beneficial for your company or for your lives. Hi everyone, I am Muskan Segal and I'll be mentioning 3 points, just 3 points, and you would realize that yes, it is where you lack and what can be done to make it right for you. To begin with, it is lack of experience. At times, companies aren't willing to give their employees a proper training for their marketing employees, which is nothing but just a waste of time, and digital marketing is not something that you can learn without having experience, as it is just the constant state of change, requiring marketers to learn, research and adjust their strategies on a continuational basis, which is nothing but a continuous learning process. Now, when it comes to the amount you need to put into your marketing, so not everyone is investing a deserving amount in marketing. After all this, there are still people who think that their company is too unique and their idea of business is something that won't fit on online platform. So as claiming they don't need a website to run. Fast forward years later, we know a company needs a website, and it is not only needed, it's imperative. Like, creative content is a key to cutting through the noise and capturing your desired audience attention. Last but not the least, if you are the owner and the manager of a company and you don't use social media platforms personally, that is going to affect your social media advertising. I mean, it is definitely going to affect your advertising. Trying to explain anything technical in the campaign becomes almost impossible when the person isn't familiar with even the basics of social media platform. It is nothing but just a test of one piece of a larger puzzle. So ignore your negativeness if you have any personal biasness regarding the same. For more related videos regarding the concept of digital marketing, stay tuned, stay connected. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for new updates of our videos, and don't forget to like this video. Or if you don't want to scroll and hear to this video, you can simply call on the number 8800505151, or you can also visit to our website www.DIDM.in.